Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, today I'll show you how to color the sentence in PDF. I'll go the PDF through Microsoft Edge. I want to color the sentence. Just select the sentence and now go highlights. There the color yellow, green, light blue, pink, red. You can select as you like. I select green. The sentence has colored with green. Now press Ctrl S. Now the color has saved. Ctrl S means the color has saved. If you want to erase the color, go here, erase section. The mouse cursor has changed. Just click here. The color has gone. You can go here. This is the highlight and there is the color. You can change the thin and thickness. Notice that okay, just select. The color has changed. Click here. Select light blue. Now I select the sentence with light blue color and I type Ctrl S. I press Ctrl S. That means I saved the color in my memory. Thanks a lot.